Hi friends, welcome with my Swiss journey day 1 part 2 video. In this video I am going to explore Geneva Lake. That means I am willing to take some boat journeys in Geneva Lake. So here now I am at Geneva train station which called Gare de Genève. I came here from Geneva airport. So while I am in this station I just search what are the nearest boat ports where I can get some boat journeys. Then I found the place called Mont Blanc. I saw there is a boat ride in 30 minutes, so now I am hoping to go there. Here now I am at Mont Blanc place in Geneva. It is on my left hand side. First I need to cross the road, then I will reach the place called Mont Blanc. You can see the famous water fountain in Geneva over there. Here now I am in a boat at Geneva Lake. So before I get on the boat, there was an interesting thing happened because I went to the ticket counter and asked about instruction regarding boat ride. So they told me the current boat ride almost full, you can't go with that. But I had Swiss pass, I bought that. So when I saw a video, if I have Swiss pass I can try this boat ride free. I just went to the captain and asked, I have Swiss pass, can I enter the boat? He told that you can enter the boat without any doubt. So I just disregard what the ticket counter told me because I don't need to ask from anyone to go this boat ride if I already have Swiss pass. So if you have Swiss pass, just go inside the boat and they will ask to show that pass, so just need to show it. You can see the famous water fountain in Geneva. It's really nice. Here, while we are traveling with the boat, we found a wake surfing guy. So he is enjoying his life with his friends. Okay guys, so here I finished my first boat ride, so I am coming back to the Geneva again. So you can see the famous water fountain here, which also called water jet. So actually this boat ride is 1 hour boat ride. So it will start from Mont Blanc and it will end also from Mont Blanc. So if you want another boat ride, you can try. There are some other ports where you can find some other boat rides. So while I am coming back, I search another boat ride because I have time. So it is in again within 20 minutes, so I just need to walk around 5 minutes from one place to other place. Okay guys, so now we finish our boat ride. Now we are going out of the boat. Here people are going out of the boat. So when I talk about the other place, its name is Geneva Lake. So I don't know how to spell that correctly, so I just read the name on the map. So now I am going there. So the other boat ride is within 15 minutes. So there is just 5 or 7 minute walk from one place to that place. Here now I am walking towards to that place. You can see outside view of Geneva city. It's really nice buildings, some beautiful trees, and the view of Geneva water fountain. Here you can see a ship coming. I think that's the ship I am going to try. So it's coming to the port. Here now I am going to enter the ship. So also I found some special people here. So we are in some old type fashion. I don't know the reason. Maybe there is a reason. So here's the ship. Hi guys, now I am inside the ship. So here's the second class. So actually I bought a second class Swiss pass. So with my Swiss pass I can try this ride free. I don't need to pay anything. Actually this is not a bad place to be. This is the front side, so we can have some beautiful view while this journey. So you can see the beautiful water fountain over there, and you can have some beautiful view while we are traveling this journey. Okay guys, I took many video footage with this journey, so you can enjoy uh, while watching these videos the beauty of Swiss Geneva Lake. Actually, it's really nice place to be. The view is really amazing. Okay guys, so we are now going to finish our journey. So this is my second journey, so I am coming back again to Geneva. You can see the beautiful water fountain and you can see the beautiful Geneva Lake view when we are coming back. So actually my next plan is to go to Lauterbrunnen, because Lauterbrunnen is the city where I am staying my other all days. So also you can see here some people enjoying some water activities, so it's really nice view here. So when I'm talking about my other plans, I have 5-day planning trip. So after I finish this journey, I need to catch my train to Bern. Then again I need to take a train to Bern to Interlaken Ost. So from Interlaken Ost to Lauterbrunnen there's another train. So I'm going to stay at Lauterbrunnen because when I'm staying there I can explore many of things called Grindelwald, Hardercombe, top of the Europe. So it is the hub of my plan. So I came from Bristol to Geneva, so I need to go to Lauterbrunnen. So I had some time before I go to Lauterbrunnen. That's why I thought to explore Geneva Lake. So now it's time at 3 p.m. So my train is in 30 minutes, so I just need to go there because I don't need to worry, because I can go there within 10 minutes to train station to catch my train. So you can see all the people getting out of the ship. So it's really nice journey. So if you are in Geneva, don't forget to try this journey. So you can see some beautiful buildings, flowers in Geneva city. It's really nice place to be. So actually I didn't had much time to be here because my plan is to go to Lauterbrunnen and explore many of things. So I had few time, so I enjoyed that few time here in Geneva, exploring Geneva Lake. So my next video I will bring to you the journey from Geneva to Interlaken Ost. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I will bring more videos about Lauterbrunnen, Grindelwald, top of the Europe and Hardercombe. There are many places to visit, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. So until my next video, so I'm saying goodbye to you. So Okay guys, so see you in my next video.